Hello everyone. In the previous parts, we understood what front-end development is and why it is important. Now, in this lecture, I will explain the core technologies of front-end development in a simple way. First, let's talk about HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is the basic structure of any website. Just like a house needs a strong structure, a website needs HTML to define headings, paragraphs, images, buttons, and more. Next is CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. It is used to design and style the website. With CSS, we can add colors, spacing, layouts, and animations. Without CSS, websites would look very plain and boring. Now comes JavaScript. JavaScript is used to make websites interactive. For example, when you click a button and something happens, or when a form is submitted, that is done using JavaScript. It adds life to the website. Let's understand this with a simple example. Imagine a car. HTML is like the body of the car, CSS is like the paint and design, and JavaScript is like the engine that makes it move. All three are important to make a complete and working website. Apart from these, developers also use tools like frameworks and libraries to make work faster and easier. These help in building complex websites in a simple way. In today's time, users expect fast and responsive websites. That's why front-end developers focus on performance, speed, and user experience. In conclusion, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are the foundation of front-end development. If you understand these well, you can build amazing and interactive websites. Thank you.